Hey guys, welcome back. I visited a lot of different boat ramps in my area throughout the boating season, and I thought it'd be a good idea to try to make a virtual tour so that you viewers can take a look at the boat ramps possibly before you even go. Maybe these videos will help you decide whether or not you want to go and actually utilize these certain boat ramps, show you how to get there, show you where they're located on the lake, and try to give you an overview of, say, parking space or boat ramp capacity, things like that. I hope these videos help some of you out. Okay, so the boat ramp that we're going to review today is going to be Mountain View Park boat ramp near Clemson. If you see here, all this is Lake Hartwell. Got I-85 here. The town of Clemson is up here. So it's just north of Clemson, up 12 Mile Creek. And it is what is considered this Mountain View Park right here. Get to it, you have to go north on 133 and you turn left onto Mountain View Lane. Come down the road and you will actually end up in the park. Little guy on the road. Here's Google image of what the entrance of the park looks like. Here's the parking, and then the boat ramp is down this way. There's a lot of hiking trails, I think, within this park. I see a good bit of people walking when I visit this boat ramp.
This parking lot's not huge. For the amount of traffic that visits it, never seen it overflowing. Go down here toward the boat ramp and it's a narrow drive, a little more than single lane. You want to pretty much be the only one going and coming to the ramp. And then you get down here to the actual ramp and it's fairly tight squeeze. There's only one boat ramp here, and if you have a pickup truck or a longer vehicle, you pretty much have to use the entire paved area that you have to pull up, sometimes pull off of the front of the pavement. It makes for a rather difficult backing up experience because you have to back to your blind side or your passenger side, and the ramp's not very wide. As you see, you've got curbs on both sides, so you can potentially run off the curb or run over the curb. As far as the water area that you launch into, you got plenty of room to launch your boat. The ramp angle is pretty nice though, almost a perfect, what I would consider a perfect slope, not too steep, not too shallow. The day that I visited was during the week. Parking lot's not very full, only has one other vehicle in it. Sometimes that can be a good thing, sometimes that's not such a good thing. Typically like to have more than my vehicle be the only one in the parking lot. knowing that when a lot of people utilize the boat ramp, kind of gives me a peace of mind. Maybe tries to keep criminals at bay to where they don't want to target that area if there's a lot of traffic.
This boat ramp does not have a dock that you can walk out onto to get onto the boat. So for me, it works best if I have two people, one to drive the boat, one to drive the trailer. And then I walk down this trail and get out on this point and step on the boat. Ramps down that way, trail off the woods right through here.
I typically use this little point to get on the boat at this ramp, mainly because I don't want to risk beaching my boat on the concrete boat ramp while I'm getting in. The water level here is typically high enough that I can drive my boat right up to the shoreline to where I can step on and off without beaching the boat.